With the next game, we call it Coconut Harvest. We use existing play structures to teach kids motor skills, using a coconut, learning to throw, learning to put the coconut into a container, onto a ship, and then bring it back home using trucks.
Want to get new and creative games for PE for ages 3 to 7? If yes, then use this link right here in the description. If you want new and creative games on a regular basis, then sign up for our free updates with the email newsletter right here below.